The automotive world is changing fast, and 2025 is bringing a fleet of SUVs that will completely change the game. If you're thinking about upgrading your ride this year, these 7 brand new models should be at the top of your list. These SUVs aren't just upgrades, they're groundbreaking. From electric powertrains to bold new designs, these are the ones you need to know about. Let's dive into the top contenders. Hyundai Santa Fe. The 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe is a complete redesign, offering a bold new look that screams modern SUV sophistication. It's not just another family hauler, it's a tech-packed crossover that turns heads. Under the hood, it offers a powerful 2.5-liter turbocharged engine with 277 horsepower. Plus, you'll have the option for hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains to balance power with fuel efficiency depending on your needs. The exterior design is a striking departure from the previous model. With a wide, angular stance and sharp lines, it looks more futuristic and aggressive. The wide grille and slim LED headlights give it a strong road presence, and the rear end features a sleek, sculpted look. Inside, the Santa Fe delivers premium comfort. The cabin is packed with high-end materials, and the dual-screen infotainment system provides easy access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A panoramic sunroof, ample legroom, and smart storage solutions make it ideal for families. It's one of the few mid-size SUVs with this bold, boxy look while still offering incredible fuel economy and all the modern comforts you'd expect. From one bold redesign to the electric future, the next SUV on our list will blow you away. Rivian R2. The 2025 Rivian R2 takes everything you love about electric SUVs and cranks it up to 11. Rivian is now bringing its all-electric vision to a more compact, affordable platform without sacrificing performance or adventure. The R2 comes with dual-motor all-wheel drive, offering up to 300 miles of range and acceleration that will make your heart race. In fact, it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, making it one of the quickest electric SUVs on the market. The exterior design is a stunning combination of sleek lines and robust, outdoor-ready features. It's unmistakably Rivian with its minimalist grille and rugged looks, while the smaller footprint makes it easier to maneuver in tight urban environments. Inside, Rivian delivers a tech-forward cabin with a large touchscreen, premium sustainable materials, and an interior design focused on comfort and adventure. The cabin is spacious, and the back seats fold flat for more cargo room when needed. The Rivian R2 is a game-changer for electric SUVs, offering an affordable, compact, and performance-focused EV that's perfect for everyday use and outdoor enthusiasts. But if you're in the market for a luxury electric SUV, you might want to keep your eyes on Volvo's all-new EX90. Volvo EX90. Volvo's all-electric EX90 SUV is an instant luxury icon. It brings together Scandinavian design, sustainability, and cutting-edge tech in a way that will set the bar for electric SUVs in 2025 and beyond. The EX90 boasts a dual-motor setup with 496 horsepower and 671 pound-feet of torque. It offers a range of up to 300 miles and promises super fast charging. With a 0 to 60 time of under 5 seconds, it's fast, but it's also designed with a focus on efficiency and comfort. The exterior is sleek, with clean lines, a minimalist grille, and Volvo's signature Thor's hammer LED lights. It's aerodynamic, reducing drag while still looking gorgeous. Inside, the EX90 is all about sustainability. The cabin features premium, eco-friendly materials like leather-free upholstery and recycled wood trim. The large touchscreen is a focal point, featuring Volvo's intuitive interface with over-the-air updates. The EX90's cabin is quiet, spacious, and serene, perfect for long drives or daily commuting. The EX90 combines luxury, sustainability, and high-performance electric power in a way that few brands can match. Up next is an American muscle SUV with a futuristic twist, Get ready to see what it can do. Ford Expedition. The 2025 Ford Expedition is bringing more power, technology, and style to the full-size SUV segment. It's a perfect blend of a rugged workhorse with all the modern luxuries that make long drives feel like a breeze. The Expedition comes with a powerful 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine that churns out 400 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque, making it perfect for towing heavy loads or off-road adventures. Its 10-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth and efficient power delivery. On the exterior, the Expedition keeps its bold, muscular look with a wide grille and sharp lines, giving it an aggressive road presence. Its larger size offers plenty of space for passengers and gear, making it perfect for family road trips or weekend adventures. Inside, the Expedition is all about comfort and technology. It features a 12-inch digital display, wireless charging, and an available panoramic sunroof. The interior is spacious, with ample room for passengers in the third row and premium seating for a luxury experience. The Ford Expedition is one of the most capable and spacious full-size SUVs, combining power with cutting-edge tech and comfort for family and adventure use. But if you need something with even more tech-savvy features and a sleek design, the next SUV on our list is perfect for you. Audi Q6 e-tron. Audi's entry into the electric SUV market just got even more exciting with the 2025 Q6 e-tron. This all-electric SUV combines performance, luxury, and practicality into one beautiful package. Powered by dual electric motors, the Q6 e-tron produces 469 horsepower and offers a range of up to 300 miles, making it a fantastic option for those who want an electric vehicle with real-world range and performance. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures a smooth, responsive driving experience no matter the weather conditions. The exterior design is sleek and aerodynamic, with a bold front fascia, sharp lines, and an elegant silhouette. The Q6 e-tron has a strong road presence without compromising on its eco-friendly credentials. Inside, the Q6 e-tron is pure luxury, featuring a minimalist, high-tech cabin with a large curved touchscreen, premium materials, and customizable interior options. The spacious cabin offers ample room for passengers with top-tier tech, comfort, and advanced safety features. The Audi Q6 e-tron is a perfect blend of luxury, electric efficiency, and performance, offering a high-end experience for eco-conscious drivers. Now, let's talk about a game-changing SUV from an iconic brand, one that blends classic design with modern performance. You won't want to miss this. BMW X6M Competition. The 2025 BMW X6M Competition brings performance and luxury to new heights, combining the power of a high-performance sports SUV with the elegance of BMW's signature design. This powerhouse comes with a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, with a 0-60 miles per hour time of just 3.8 seconds. It's one of the quickest in its class, delivering an exhilarating driving experience every time you hit the gas pedal. The exterior design of the X6M Competition features aggressive lines, a wide front grille, and sporty touches that make it unmistakably BMW. The sleek, coupe-like silhouette gives it a more athletic look compared to other SUVs. Inside, the BMW X6M Competition offers a luxury interior with M-specific sports seats, a digital cockpit, and high-end materials. The iDrive system is at the forefront, offering intuitive controls and seamless connectivity, while the cabin is designed to ensure both driver and passengers feel like royalty. The X6M Competition is the ultimate performance SUV for those who demand both power and luxury, offering the perfect combination of thrill and sophistication. Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado has redefined what it means to be a reliable off-roader, blending Toyota's rugged legacy with cutting-edge technology. The Land Cruiser Prado comes with a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid engine, producing 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. It promises impressive off-road capability with better fuel economy and enhanced towing capacity. Whether you're crossing the desert or the mountains, this SUV is built to endure. Its exterior design is bold and muscular, featuring Toyota's signature grille, LED headlights, and a slightly more compact look compared to previous models. It's sleek yet rugged enough to handle any terrain. Inside, the Prado shines with its luxurious yet functional cabin. A 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while premium materials add a touch of sophistication. Comfort is key, with plenty of space for passengers and advanced tech features like Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. The Land Cruiser Prado is perfect for adventure lovers looking for an SUV that combines off-road durability with modern features and luxury. These SUVs are truly groundbreaking. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see what the experts at Consumer Reports think about these vehicles. According to Consumer Reports, these 7 SUVs are among the best in 2025 for a variety of reasons. From performance and design to reliability and comfort, these vehicles have earned their spots on the list due to their high safety ratings, top-tier tech features, and incredible driving experiences. Whether you're looking for an electric powerhouse like the Audi Q6 e-tron or a rugged off-road contender like the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, these models represent the future of automotive innovation. Plus, with options ranging from luxury to performance-driven SUVs, there's something for every kind of driver in 2025. So, what do you think? Are you ready to jump into one of these game-changing SUVs in 2025? Let us know which model has caught your eye in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited about the future of driving. Make sure to subscribe for more updates and reviews on the latest cars and SUVs coming your way. Stay tuned for even more exciting content as we explore the best of what's yet to come in 2025. Catch you in the next one.